Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. I'm just going to do a quick video today on this little survival kit that women would really appreciate. We can leave it in the car or at the office, but this is a great gift or even just for yourself. I made a list of what I've got in it, but you can see I put the little scrapbook paper behind so you could see better what's in there. Okay, and then I've got this filled also with the scrapbook paper. All right, so I've got a couple different kinds of medications, you know, allergy medicine, stomach medicine, wet ones, a manicure kit, tissues, of course, hand sanitizer, lotion, chapstick, safety pins, sewing kit in case a button falls off, a Tide pen in case you get a spot of coffee or whatever. This, and of course Advil, Tylenol, or whatever you prefer, anti-itch cream, little tiny first aid kit. So for any kind of woman who's on the go, especially if you have kids and you're driving here and there, this is a great thing to just keep in the car or at the office. So check out my pictures and I'll give you a list of what's in here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.